Welcome to another episode of Bluff City Grub with my buddy Greg. Today we're cooking hot wings on a gas grill.
Today we're going to crank out the flavor. Hot wings on a gas grill. That's right. From Memphis, the hot wing capital of the world. Smoking, sizzling. We're going to give you some really good tips, really good tricks to make sure that flavor comes out phenomenal for your wings on a gas grill. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys like what you see in this video. Bland, boring chicken.
It is no longer how Greg cooks wings on a gas grill.
I think you've nailed it on the head, Joe. I just want you to remember this one principle. If it's bland, it's banned. So we're going to give you a couple tips to up your level of hot wing game. Joe, what are our tips?
I thought you brought the tips today.
I always got the tips. I'm just trying to see if you learned something. You know how we cook our wings on the top rack. I know. Everybody thinks the top rack doesn't cook food, but it does. We got our wings in a bowl. As you can see today, we're cooking with party wings, which is wings separated. We got the drummy and we got the flat. And the reason why we're using party wings today is because we're going to impart really good smoke flavor on it. The smaller the surface area for the smoke to penetrate, the better the product. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get our wings seasoned. We have Bluff City Rub here, which is delicious. You'll find the recipe in the description below the video. But we're gonna rub these guys really good. We're gonna get them nice and tossed up in this bowl. Just like so. Layers of flavor, baby. One of the things that's gonna set these hot wings off, we're gonna really make these guys fantastic hot wings, is we got a gallon Ziploc bag and we're gonna throw our wings in here. We're gonna show you how to impart a really good layer of flavor on your wings. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of hot sauce on our wings. We're gonna let these guys marinate for about 3 hours. You can go overnight if you want to. We're gonna toss these guys in the fridge while we wait for them to marinate. Part that second layer of flavor, 4 hours.
We've taken a little meatloaf pan. You can just however you want. You can buy a smoke box online. You're gonna stuff it with some hickory wood. We're gonna wrap it up in aluminum foil. We're gonna poke us some holes for the smoke. Then we need to put some holes on the bottom side. All right, we've prepped us 2 or 3 smoke boxes here for the hot wings on the gas grill. One of the things we want to do is go ahead and get one of these smoke boxes on about 45 minutes before we put our wings on the gas grill. All right, Greg, we've had our smoke box on for about 45 minutes. The smoke's starting to roll. And obviously, if you've watched our channel before, you know one of our top tips is to clean your grill. Make sure you got a clean grill to start with. And normally we'd use avocado oil, maybe any spray oil, canola oil, but we're out today. And if you don't have any spray oil, put your little oil in the bowl, take you a folded up paper towel, and you can simply just spread that oil right there on the grill grates. That'll get you a good clean grill, non-stick, ready to cook.
Good job, Joe. All right. Our wings have been marinating in our hot sauce. We're gonna go ahead and get these guys out, put them back in our bowl. Oh, just like that. All right, let's go ahead and get these guys one more layer of flavor before we put them on our gas grill. Now, this is our Bluff City Wing Rub. You'll see this in the description below. Now today we're gonna cook our wings at 300. Normally we cook them at 4, but we're smoking these wings today. We're going low and slow. Should take a little bit, about an hour and a half for these wings to cook. Let's go ahead and get these bad boys on there. Top rack, indirect. We got some ribs on the gas grill here at the bottom. Don't mind them. Party wings. Party wings are gonna soak up a lot of that smoke flavor quicker than your whole wings. Y'all like that top rack, don't you? All right. We're gonna add one more smoke button. We got one rolling, but this is gonna take probably about a good 30, 40 minutes to start. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on there for our wings as they cook on this gas grill. We're still rolling at 300 degrees. Our wings have been rolling for about 45 minutes. Let's go ahead and check them. Oh, they're looking good. I think what I'm going to do is hit them with a little bit of rub, one more layer of flavor, and then we're going to rotate these guys. We're going to flip them, rotate them. You know, if we're over the fire, we'll move them around a little bit. If they're getting a decent amount of smoke on them, it's really hard to smoke on a gas grill, so you want to have that smoke rolling more so than you would if you were cooking on a charcoal grill. All right, then we're going to hit them with one more layer of flavor. We're going to give these probably about another 20 minutes or so, and then we're going to fire this thing up and get these wings done. Boom. We were rolling for about an hour and a half at 300, smoking these bad boys. Oh, these wings are starting to look good. The smoke bomb is still rolling. We're going to pull one of these guys off because it's done. We got one left. But what we're going to do is, I like that smell. We're leaving that on there. Let's go ahead and season it one more time. Layers of flavor, baby. One more layer of flavor. And what we're going to do, we're going to get this heat back up to 400 degrees. We're going to go ahead and sear off these wings. Just go ahead and do one more rotation. Go ahead and let them finish cooking off on this gas grill. Remember, you're not seasoned, your wings ain't seasoned. We're gonna let these guys sear off. We're gonna sauce them and toss them. All right, let's go ahead and check our wings. We're rolling at 400 degrees. Oh, look, they're looking good. They're starting to get a nice little sear to them. Rotating our wings every 10 to 15 minutes at this point. Just trying to make sure they get done. See how they're drawing up, they're shrinking up. All right, our wings have been cooking on the gas grill for 2 hours. Let's go ahead and check them. Nice sear on them, got a good color. Let's go ahead and temp these bad boys. We cook on the top rack, layers of flavor, baby. Let's see what we got. All right, we got a temperature of about 185 degrees right here. This is perfect for these wings to come off of this gas grill. Let's go ahead and get these bad boys off the grill. Get them in a bowl. We're going to toss these bad boys. We're going to add, you guessed it, one more layer of flavor.
Absolutely one of the best tips we can give you today is to wait until the very end of the cook to sauce your wings.
This is our Bluff City Sweet Heat. You can find this recipe in the description below. We're going to pour that right over the top of our wing. Oh my God. These wings are going to come out fantastic. Memphis hot wings. Smoked hot wings on a gas grill. One more layer of flavor just like that. Go ahead and toss these bad boys up. Wings on the gas grill, take 3. Here's the secret sauce right here. Squeeze a lime. That's how we do it in Memphis. Memphis hot wings. You want to add one more layer of flavor. Set your wings off for that party. Bam.
And I got one thing to tell you. Bland, under-seasoned chicken, not on my watch, sir. Greg, what are we doing today? How are we cooking these wings? On a gas grill.